Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now guys, I want to talk about Londie London and her past, right? But before I do, I just want to say a special thank you guys for 2,000 subscribers. It's a milestone for me. It's a lot for me, really. Like, I never thought I would build a channel from scratch, and within 2 years I already have 2,000 subscribers, which is such a great thing. But the thing is that I was not consistent because of school last year, but I'm back again this year. I'm gonna be consistent and grow my channel and grow with you guys. I just want to say thank you. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, and may God bless you guys, right? So now let us get into today's video. Now uLondie London and her ex-husband Hlubi Nkosi are following each other on Instagram. Who would have thought, honey? We don't know whether maybe there's something there, maybe they are cool with each other. I do not know. But whatever is going on, listen, whatever Londie London does with her life, I am behind her. I support her with everything that I have. I will support her and I will continue doing so. She's my girl. I'm so sorry. I love Londie London. And I mean that this time I just hope that if they're going to rekindle their relationship, that this time she will be extra careful with her finances. She's literally running a good business. She's literally doing so well. If I were her, I would tread very carefully when it comes to this man. After what happened in the past, he might try to do her dirty again. And also, if they are rekindling their relationship, I would like her to not relax and continue working for her kids. That is really fair enough. And guys, that's what I wish for her. But whatever she does, if she was to rekindle her relationship, if she want to get married again, if she doesn't want to get married again, listen, I support you, girl. We are behind you. Okay guys, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.